I see you working like a dog, and yet, there's never enough money at the end of the month. It's not because you're lazy. It's because the system is designed to keep you broke. Today, I'll give you 5 rules, simple enough for a child to understand. If you follow them, you win. If you don't, you die poor. The leaky bucket. Money is like water in a bucket. If you pour in $1,000 but have holes at the bottom totaling $1,100, that bucket will never be full. Most people think they need a bigger shovel, more income. No! You need to plug the holes. Stop spending on things that don't make you better. Stop impressing people. Why the new iPhone on credit? Why the car you can't afford to fix? To show off to neighbors who don't even like you. Rich people invest to be rich. Poor people spend to look rich. Choose one. Ice in the sun. Money in the bank is like ice in the sun. Every year it melts because prices go up. This is called inflation, but you can call it theft. Don't keep all your wealth as ice. Turn it into stone land, tools, or skills. Things that don't melt. What feeds you versus what eats you? Learn the difference. A car that costs you gas and repairs eats you. It's a liability. A tool that helps you earn extra cash feeds you. It's an asset. Rich people buy things that feed them. Poor people buy things that eat them alive. The lifeboat. Life will hit you. A broken tooth, a broken car, or a lost job. If you don't have a few grand saved for a rainy day, you'll run to the loan sharks. And at that moment, they own you. Build your lifeboat before you buy anything nice.